Want your pets to live longer, happier lives? Here are healthy habits every dog, cat, bird, and exotic pet needs every single day. Dogs thrive on routine, daily walks, regular playtime, and mental stimulation keep them healthy and happy. A tired dog is a happy dog. Cats need regular brushing, scratching posts, and safe spaces to climb. Interactive toys help prevent boredom and keep their mind sharp. Birds need daily interaction, clean cages, and safe flight or playtime. They thrive on attention and enrichment, not just seed in a bowl. Exotic pets like reptiles, rabbits, and hamsters need proper habitats, correct lighting, temperature, and diet specific to their species. Small changes in their environment can make a big difference in their health. No matter the species, every pet needs love, regular vet checkups, and a safe, stress-free environment. A healthy pet is a happy pet. Start these healthy habits today and watch your pets thrive. Follow us for more tips, stories, and pet care inspiration every day.